Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. When it comes to sockets, if you have a brand from a reputable company, so this is a Stanley socket set, most companies, if not all reputable companies, will have a lifetime warranty. So it says limited lifetime warranty. So using my 1/4" ratchet here, I noticed this when I was doing the transmission fluid change on my Buick. So we have the selector wing here, and the ratchet keeps going back into neutral. So it's a ratchet. It's supposed to be ratcheting like this. That means this ratchet is now worn out. So in this case, I called Stanley, and they are going to send me a replacement ratchet for free because it's a lifetime warranty. So when it comes to sockets, spend a little more money. Besides the reliability, the better material, you'll also have a lifetime warranty. And instead of spending money to replace something, the manufacturer will send you a replacement for free. And that is what's going to happen here. I'm going to wait a couple weeks to get my ratchet. But in general, when it comes to tools, I always recommend buy something reputable. It doesn't have to be the best thing, most expensive thing on the shelf, but buying quality tools will be cheaper for you in the long run because you're not going to have to spend more money to get that better tool after the low quality one that you bought broke or stopped working. Guys, that's your quick tip of the week.